everyone, April Storm here, and welcome to my studio. Today I want to share a flip through of my new digital kit, the Love Letter Archives, the private papers of Violet. And I really hope you enjoy it. I have a Facebook group called Junk Journal Joy with April Storm over on Facebook. I'd love to have you come over there. I have freebies exclusive to our group that will go along with these papers beautifully, and they'll work wonderfully with Valentine's Day. So let's get started. This is a large kit. It's 67 pages. Now, some of the items that are in this kit will be part of the freebies that will be in the group, and I'm going to be putting those up actually today. So if you decide to buy this kit, if you buy just the kit without the freebies and you want the freebies, then you can head on over to my Facebook group. Make sure you answer all the questions and agree to the rules so I can let you in. And there'll be 2 sets of freebies available and waiting for you there, along with all the other freebies that I have given away the past couple of months. We're going to be doing a monthly challenge over there in the group, and there will be 3 different options you can choose from, or you can do 2 of them, or you can do all 3. And the details will be in the event section of my Facebook group. One's a monthly challenge for the month of February. The second one is weekly challenges. And the third option is the daily challenges for the first 14 days. We just started a swap over there. It's too late to join the swap, but I'm going to be adding more, and you don't want to miss that. The inspiration for this kit is about a woman named Violet, and she's madly in love, and her sweetheart travels for work. The setting is in the 1890s, and they write love letters back and forth to one another and poems. She's actually a poet. They have a plan. They're going to meet by the gate where the white roses grow, and he'll have tickets for 2, and we're going to run away together. You have so many pages to choose from. Background papers, the decorative papers, the papers just to write on. You've got a map page here. And this is a journal cover. You would split that in half and you'll have your spine. Or if you want your spine to be this size, then it's ready to go. And for the ephemera, we have some beautiful ephemera as well. This was a labor of love, and I'm so excited that it's now February. By the way, happy February, everyone. Library cards with pockets, mini envelopes with love notes to tuck inside, fussy cuts, beautiful, sentiments in different sizes, and you can also set your printer to print them even smaller if they're too large in your opinion. Now this is a folio cover, or the folio base. This flap right here is part of the closure, and you can actually fold this at any point you wish. It's a nice bonus insert. And here is another little, well, I made it awfully large, but the reasoning being so you could cut it to size. It's a nice little flap insert to go inside your folio with some pockets and extras. The pink pages represent Violet and her beautiful garden that she works in every day, and the ocean, or the harbor photos, and the ship. That's all represents him, because he travels by train, by ship, and they, like I said before, they write back and forth to one another and meet whenever they can in secret. I just absolutely love this kit. I hope you feel the same way. You can drop a comment below if you would like to buy the kit, and we'll take it from there. As soon as I get Etsy information uploaded with all of this, then it will be for sale in my Etsy shop, and I will update the description box below when that happens. I may put it on Ko-fi as well. And there you have it, all 67 pages. I'm really excited about this kit. If you decide that you want to join the group and get the freebies in the group, and you want the kit without the freebies, of course it'll be priced accordingly. It'll be cheaper. And right now through the 15th, I'm running a sale, 40% off. So that's a really nice bonus. You don't want to miss out. A kit of this size usually runs around $14.99, but we are not going to be charging $14.99. We are going to be charging $7.99 with a 40% discount. Look at that. You just can't beat that kind of deal. Well, I hope you all enjoyed the flip through. I hope that the orders start coming in, and more than anything, I hope that you come and join my Facebook group, and you wouldn't believe the creativity that's there and the love that is shown, the friendships. It's the inspiration and encouragement. And of course, I have a newsletter, and you can sign up for that. And there's always freebies in the newsletter and freebies every month in the group. Thanks again for visiting my channel. Thank you all, and I hope you have a blessed, beautiful day. Bye.